Good day everyone, I'm Marlene Ranyola. For today, here in this video, let's find out what is earthquake. Earthquake is a sudden, violent shaking of the ground, sometimes causing great destruction as a result of movements within the Earth's crust or volcanic action. So, minsan nararanasan po natin ito ng biglaan. Alamin natin what to do before an earthquake. So, make sure you have a fire extinguisher like this. First aid kit, a battery-powered radio, flashlight, extra batteries at home, extra foods, and learn the first aid. Learn how to turn off the gas, the water, and the electricity, and also the main switch of the house, like this. And also make a plan of where to meet your family after an earthquake. During an earthquake, stay calm and alert. Humanap ng matibay na lamesa. Gawin ang drop, cover, and hold. If ikaw ay nasa labas ng bahay, you need to move to an open area. Pagkatapos naman ng lindol, suriin ang sarili, maging ang mga kasama kung may sugat. Suriin ang paligid kung may sunog, panatilihing alerto at huwag magpanik. Laging maging handa at ligtas. Make zero casualty. Yan ang tama.